Hi, I'm Zachary Coles. I'm Zachary Dowse Coles, and I'm gonna build Pida today.
Can you tell what you're doing while you do it?
Yeah,
Explain it.
that's how it goes, but that's not really the weapon. The weapon will be on there in a minute. Here's his weapon. Now this weapon's already put it together. Got it up there. That's supposed to be like that. Now I'm on to the person. Pida.
You putting his head on his body?
Yeah.
No, what are you putting on?
His legs. His body. And here he is. Here's he is. Try to get this joy. Here he is.
Cool.
That shows Pida versing Colt.